Hey, what's everybody? So in front of you, we have the SmartDEVIL Smart Pull box. Disclaimer, we do get commission for this when you click on the link and purchase. So again, disclaimer, we do get a commission. But this here is a tempered glass screen protector for your smartphone, whether it's Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, iPhones. So we're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So again, this one here is for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Here's the back. So what's unique about this one is you put the phone down, you close this up, you pull, and it automatically adheres to your smartphone. So it's not exposed to anything. But included is your film installation toolkit. So you have your cleaning cloth, and you have some alcohol cleaning wipes. Here's your fingerprint recognition card. So once the screen protector is on, you go ahead and calibrate your fingerprints again, just to ensure that it works with the screen. Here's the Smart Pull box instruction. So again, clean the screen. Once the screen's clean, you put your phone face down. Close the lid, pull on the tab. Go ahead, take out the phone, and if you need to do replacements, just put a new one on and restart the process again. So this one here comes with three screen protectors. So there's two here, and there's one already pre-installed already. So again, here's my Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So obviously once the screen's cleaned, put your phone down, press down on all four corners, close the lid, and pull this tab. So let's go ahead, get this phone cleaned, and then I'll put it face down so this way it's not exposed to the element and dust. And then I'll go ahead, close it, pull it, and take out the phone. So here, I opened up the wet nap. Go ahead, clean off the screen. Remove any contaminants, fingerprints, dust. Once that's done, immediately put the phone face down, push on all four sides. Go ahead, close it, press down right in the middle, pull this tab, and as you can see, it pulls the cover for the screen protector. So hold it down for a couple more seconds. Open it up. Let's take a look and see how it is. Very nice and clean. You can see the edge right here of the screen protector. No dust. You can see it all around. Let's see if I can try and focus. There you go. So here I have my case. Case friendly. Now let's go ahead and try out the fingerprint. Works with no problem at all. Let's try it again. One more time. So that's a SmartDEVIL Smart Pull box, tempered screen protector for your Galaxy devices, your Google devices and iPhone devices. Clean install minimizes the dust and exposure to the element when you have your phone down. Some of them, they have your phone out, you put a little cover right on top of it, and then you put your screen protectors. But obviously, phone's already facing up, dust and debris can get underneath. So with this face down, as you pull, screen protector is being applied on it at the same time. So great concept. I like this a lot. Fingerprint works. And when you're ready for a new one, simply pull up. You can throw this away. Grab a new one, slide it into the slot here, and slide this pull tab in between. So now that it's ready, all you had to do is get your phone, place down. After you clean it, of course, put it face down, cover, and pull the tab, and you're ready for the next one. Till next time, see ya.